Yeah, blessed greetings again, my people. Wisdom again here for another adventure. There on a back road, I say we can do some snapper fishing, you know. Yeah, man, so I go rig up and see if we can send out a line. Catch me when I do that, no man. But before, please remember to like, share, and subscribe for more upcoming content. Yeah, man, so catch me when I rig up. Yeah, man, my people. Fish on every time. Yeah, man, so there just tie up my line. So just put on the hook. Alright, so the type of knot I'm going to use is an improved clinch knot. So you put it through the eye of the hook. Then what you're going to do, you're just going to make some, hold the two lines together like this, make some twists. You're going to put it back through this line that is here. Put it through. There it is. Then you see this circle. You're going to bring back the line through the circle. There it is. Then you draw it. Hold both lines. You just draw. Alright? And it will snug it right down. And then we just snip off the excess line. So I'm using light line for now. Right, see me that I have little to no current. So I have a sinker slider with a half-ounce bank sinker connected with a bead and connect to a swivel. So a bead and the swivel. I'm just going to connect the line to the swivel now. So we can use using the same clinch knot. So this one is an improved clinch knot. So just go through the eye of the swivel, get some line extended. Then what I'm going to do, just to wrap the line around my finger, creating a loop, then go through the loop with the tag line about 5 times. What I'm going to do is take the end of the line, tag in, and draw it tight. And then when you pull now, it is going to snug up against, there it is. And then snip off this extra line that is here, tag in. So there it is. Alright, so I go put up some bait now. Alright, so the bait of choice that I'm using is sardine. So scale sardine, right? So I'm just cutting them up into just little segments. Alright, so this bait can cut up in probably about 3 pieces. Alright, there. And I'm going to do the same thing for the other ones. So I normally cut off the tail. So especially when you go throw it out, sometimes the tail on it make the bait helicopter in the air and it not go as far as how you want it to go. Alright. 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 So that's what's going on. So catch me at short now. Alright, so as we say, that's a short against the dock. off. I might have to go tight. So I can use the bait elastic for tight. My people, so just go and wait for a bite. So catch me when I get a hook up, no man. I get a bite now still.